What's happening, everybody? Down here in Fort Lauderdale on the over-under, just getting it ready for the Bahamas season. Joe and I got down here at noon yesterday. We unpacked, we got everything on the boat, and we just all of a sudden just started turning everything on, see what worked and what didn't. Of course, the boat sits for 8 months, a lot of things don't work. So we fixed the freshwater pump, a couple heads had some problems, and trying to get the boat started. Had some battery issues, but just about got that situated. Steering working. Big thing was trying to get the air conditioners working because we need to live on the boat. So it's a little hot, so we got things running. So I'm in the hole right now trying to fix the sea strainer for the water pump for the ACs. They keep going off on high pressure, but just weren't getting any work. So we got that fixed and we're good to go. Fun stuff, but best is yet to come. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Look at that.
But it works.
I'll look like this all day. Oh my god.
Nice.
Alright, well, that's cool.
One down, one to go. Go ahead. That looks lovely.
Drinking water. Look at that. 2 for 2.
Yeah, no problem, did it?
Farm going away.
Yeah. Alright, so had a little battery issue. Actually, big battery issue. So right now, load testing the batteries, see which ones are good, which ones are bad. Pretty simple. Ripped out a lot of electronics this morning. So there's holes everywhere. And what's the problem now, Joe?
They don't want to start now. They're definitely not going to want to start when it's 20 degrees. Wow.
Woohoo! Heading for the haul out. Alright, so the boat's back in the water, and today's project is to rip up the floor to install a new floor. Joe's having so much fun.
Oh yeah. Cocktail hour.
Soon. Or during. Yeah, this might be a cocktail during project. We'll see how that goes. Blank canvas. Finished product in the salon. Looks better. Ding, ding, ding. Round 2. Downstairs floors. It's a mess right now.
Slowly but surely.
We're getting there. Well, it was a long and tedious job today, but a lot of random cuts. Some cuts took like a half an hour. I kept getting it wrong, but here we go. The floor is finished. Almost. Still have some trim marks. Hey! What's up, buddy?
I'm gonna get you in a bad moment.
We made it to Cat Island. We are here in Cat Island, Bahamas for the next 10 weeks. Very excited. Every year it seems like we're never going to get here. That 1 to 2 weeks of getting this boat ready after it's been sitting for 7 months is always hell. So, but she comes together every time, and just doing the final odds and ends. Joe's outside doing a non-skid right now. I'm just getting a lot of tackle ready. So looking forward to the next 10 weeks in Cat. hopefully a lot of great action to come to you. So catch us in the next episode.
Yeah, Kevin!